Highland Tank's oil sand interceptors are wastewater treatment tanks designed to intercept and collect petroleum hydrocarbons, oily coated solids, and sand from wastewater before they enter the sanitary sewer system. We offer many designs. We can go from a single compartment to multiple compartments. The product shown in the illustration is our most common three-compartment oil sand interceptor. This is typically used for facilities that conduct washing, servicing, repair, maintenance, or storage of motor vehicles. These facilities might include car washes, commercial vehicle garages, repair and maintenance shops, even manufacturing facilities that use various petroleum products. They're constructed of UL specifications and standards. We design, manufacture, and test the units according to UL requirements. That gives you the structural strength of steel with the corrosion protection coating systems inside and out. Each compartment has three large manways for access, for inspection and cleaning of the oil interceptor. We're flowing from left to right. The tank gets filled with clean water on startup by the installing contractor. The inlet pipe on the left side is taking flow. As we're flowing in, we're hitting the velocity head diffusion baffle that isolates turbulence, so we're not remixing any oil that is separated on the right side of the baffle. The 45-degree plate coming off of that half baffle dissipates flow to the full width of the tank and directs it to the front of the tank, utilizing the total volume of interceptor to allow oil to float and solids to sink. As we're moving through the oil interceptor, you see the oil floating to the top of the water, sand and dirt dropping and sinking down to the sludge baffle that's located right underneath that manway for inspection and cleaning. As the oil level builds up, it gets trapped in that compartment. The transfer pipe in each compartment is set at 20% off the bottom of the tank, and we're taking clean water and moving it from compartment to compartment. As we're doing that, we might have oil carry over from the first compartment into the second, and that second compartment is going to trap the oil and knock out any solids, and any residual oil might flow into the third compartment. We're separating that before discharge. The downcomer pipe from the third compartment is taking clean water from the bottom of that compartment through the outlet pipe to the discharge side. As the oil is accumulating on top of the water and sand on the bottom, we have a stainless steel float system that is weighted to float in water and sink in oil. This will monitor the oil level in the tank. When the alarm goes off at the first float, that indicates a high oil level. When that control panel sounds the alarm and lets the client know it's time to pump out the oil, they'll call a vac truck in and stick a suction hose down that 4-inch pump out pipe and pump the oil off the top of the water. It's recommended to check for solids at the bottom of the sludge baffle, and they can pump that out as well. Each compartment is inspected and cleaned accordingly when that high level alarm goes off. These units can be manufactured from 350 gallons up to 60,000 gallons in cylindrical shapes, above ground and below ground. We can offer numerous accessories, including hold-down systems for underground high water table installations. We can do influent pumping systems, effluent pumping systems, and even oil pump out systems as well. If you have any project applications, please feel free to get in touch with Highland Tank. We'd be happy to assist you.